What are we unboxing?
Well,
This my new Harley you got me?
yeah. Yeah, it's sized for you and everything.
Huh.
Yeah, it'll carry 160 pounds. I figure
I can ride it one side at a time.
What do you, 150?
Yeah. So this is a, what is it? I don't even know how you describe it.
It's called a trail bike.
Paxton's new trail bike. Very sun, look at that. Very almost together.
Yeah. Cool.
Probably shouldn't have said swear words. This video should be made for kids, huh?
Yeah, probably.
I'll have to take that out.
Kids probably watching it.
Amazon special. What it cost?
$420 with shipping.
That's not bad.
It didn't qualify for Prime.
No Prime. What's up with that?
No Prime.
FRP.
Had a lot of good reviews. I mean, I don't know, man. The way I look at it, if you can get a couple years out of it, then I'm fine with it.
Looks like a beast.
I know. No scratches on her. She is in. Oh, look at that.
Got a kickstand and everything.
I mean, first thoughts, just unboxing it, it's actually
It looks sturdy.
sturdier and better looking than I anticipated.
Yeah.
There's the handlebars. Oh, look at that. It's only got
Wow.
a kickstand. Well, off to a good start anyways.
Much more, less scary than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
I figured it was going to be like a gazillion pieces.
Oh, I know. Me too.
Huh. Alright, let's put it together. He's having technical difficulties with his Chinese ratchets.
My socket picking skills is the problem.
Oh, makes sense. Look, Aiden, just the perfect size for you. Maybe you won't wreck as much.
I wouldn't bank on that.
Yeah, I wouldn't either.
I wreck more on this
I've
one.
watched him ride, you're right. Oh, dude, it come with a free shirt. Let me see.
Don't move it from right there. You're pushing it forward.
Or
Don't
Jeremy
move it. Right there. Hold it.
It's pretty snazzy. Moment of truth.
It has any kind of
Gas cut off.
well cut off or primer or anything like that. It's gotta have some sort of fuel cut off.
Like,
Don't do
Right here.
that's choke.
It's a choke.
We got a little sound, so I was saying there ain't no gas coming through it yet.
I know, that's why I was seeing if there's like a cutoff or something.
There you go, now you're getting it.
Yeah.
Oh, there she goes.
Well, let Aiden take it for a ride real quick. Come on, going around. Just touch that. Put your feet up and down.
I don't know why he got picked and I didn't. I could have rode it.
It has a weight limit of 160 pounds.
That's about what I'm weighing nowadays.
Yeah, half of you.
That's it. I'm going on Facebook tonight and buying a bike.
I think that.
That's what she was telling.
It still goes down. I do like that.
Yeah, they said the throttle is one of the things that needs to change. Take one more lap.
Ride it up through there and go to the top
Maybe
for a
it'll go
bit.
up the hill.
Son. I'm pretty impressed. I'm impressed.
It pulled up the hill. Faster than the Kubota.
Yeah, that's true.
That's great.
Your turn.
Yeah, there's some attractive flies.
We might go look at those today just because I want to see them.
They look just like it. And they're already built.
Oh, getting in the mud.
I really want to see what it is. I think it's fun.
No, I'd say it's a success.
Oh yeah, he's gonna love it.
We'll
Once
put
he gets used to it. It's
Well-
a good starter bike.
we'll put up a long-term review, a few weeks, see how she's doing. But right now, I give it 2 thumbs up.
Definitely.
We'll leave the link to it down in the comments where you can buy your own on Amazon.
Yeah, I mean we are only about 30 minutes in, so we don't know longevity, but it's, first thoughts are it's worth every penny.
Y'all hit that like button, subscribe.
We'll see you.
Y'all be pretty. You gonna add anything? I didn't think so.
Okay.
I wasn't sure how that was gonna work for a minute.
Me either.
I'm not going to go